Hey everyone, and welcome back from spring break. I really hope you're watching this recording. No camera again. I want to show you that. Look, this clearly says video capture device. It is clearly uh, showing that there is one on my computer, and for some reason it's not. It's just not showing my face. But anyway, you'll be able to see my face in class, so that'll be fun. AP Computer Science. You are meeting up today at 8:30. Tomorrow is game design, so remember your schedules, everyone. I really hope you're watching this recording because I'm going to go over something for each of my classes. So let's just start from the top. So you can see I have a few submissions left in computer science. These are all the only thing left to grade in computer science over spring break is the final project for IC5. No worries. That just means that, like I said, I was giving you the maximum amount of time to do it. I'm going to grade it today. I'll zero it out to grade today if you haven't done it. So go ahead and try to get that turned in by 4 o'clock or so if possible. That way, I can put your grade in. But one thing you'll notice about computer science for the final cycle is that you're going to be doing the final cycle in code.org. Now, my AP class is very familiar with code.org. You, however, are not. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when we go to Unit 5, Lesson 1. Wow, look, this looks totally different. You've got a background, you've got vocabulary that you're supposed to save, you've got lesson details, and you always have some kind of resource. So here you have a YouTube video. We've got a link to Section 5 on code.org, course section code, App Lab, all this great stuff. So we're going to be using this piece of software called App Lab for the last cycle. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to code.org. Now let me show you how to set up a code.org account. So if you are if you do not have a code.org account, which most of you probably don't, you need to go to this. Well, let's see if that link's not working. Then you just go to code.org. Okay, so go to code.org, and then this is where you're going to look up. You'll have, this is me logged in as a teacher. I'm going to log out and show you what it should look like. So sign out. You're going to go to sign in. You'll create your new account. Then once you create your new account, you're going to have an option of entering a class code. Okay, so a class code. So and that'll be our course section code that'll get you into all the stuff that we're doing. All these links will start working once you sign up for that class code. You'll also have access to App Lab, which is a free tool on code.org. That's where you're going to be writing all of your programs for this semester. So we'll go over this again this week in class, obviously, and I'll probably maybe send out a separate video that kind of shows you exactly how to do it, like I'll sign up as a student. So just want you to kind of be aware that you're going to be working inside of code.org this time. And look, here we go. You have your first assignment, your first app. And then there's a link to the lesson and your first app guideline. So you'll see that you'll have a lot more material on these. There's a link to section 2. So see, multi-screen app. So you're going to see a few things coming in, but for each lesson, you're going to have one of these. Okay, so pretty cool. So then you're going to have this one, obviously has no assignment. And then the last one right here, Unit 5, Lesson 5, you will have the clicker game, which will be your final project of the year that you'll complete in App Lab. Okay, so it'll be a game, a short little game that you'll build using App Lab. All right, so game design, you're pretty set. You know exactly how, you guys know the drill by now. We have Unit 8, no, you're not Unit 8. Inside of Instructional Cycle 6, you have Unit 10, which is the exact same way that you've been doing it all year. Okay, this is the same unit. However, your second unit of Unit 10 is this Pong bonus unit, and so that's where you're going to be using a piece of software called ClickTeam. So a piece of software called ClickTeam. There'll be nothing in here right now, but you will see some material coming in there pretty soon. Okay, look out for, in both of those classes, look out for updates to the Magic Calendar coming pretty soon. I'll send out any updates that I do in the Magic Calendar. I'll send out an email as well, so no worries about that. But for now, you can get the current Magic Calendar, from the normal link as always up at the top. So this is updated. There's your printable cycle 6. Same thing for computer science, and your live document as well to see kind of what we're doing week by week. All right, last one will be, well, I got AP Computer Science and then Robotics. AP Computer Science, yours is a little bit different again this time. So you're going to see the same stuff you normally see from code.org. You'll get it 1 week at a time, just like I always have, because I want you to stay with me because we'll be completing the PT. So the PT together. We'll talk about it today in class. Today in class is going to be a lot of documents. So you're going to be getting a lot of downloadable documents. So just get ready for that. We'll be reviewing them, talking about them, and we're going to see, kind of get our first impression of what the PT will be. Robotics. If you have not sent me your address, Most of you who have sent me a parts list have sent me an address. Thank you so much for that. Today, I'm really hoping to get the parts lists and all that ready to ship out today. So I'll let you know the status of that. My goal is to get them out, to get them to everyone by the end of next week. Okay, so that would give you 1 month to complete your projects, which would be plenty enough time to complete your science fair projects. But if you have not got me your address, you need to send that to me ASAP, because these parts requests are coming in really fast. And once they come in, I'm processing them, ordering them, and then getting them shipped to my place, then to get them shipped out to you. Okay, so please make sure that you have sent me your address. If you have not, please do that. We'll be meeting again. We'll be meeting this Friday, so we'll talk about more details about kind of where we're at. All right, so if you have any questions for me, guys, come on. This week, I hope you had a great spring break. But this week, it's a big one. This is the beginning of cycle 6, the last cycle of the semester. So if you haven't kicked it into action with your grades, this is the time to do it. Okay, this is the last call to get on board and knock out some assignments. All right, so let me know if you need anything this week. Sign up for learning conferences. Come to my help sessions, and I'll see you all in live class. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.